Rapid prototyping AI tools are changing how new ideas become real products, making the journey from concept to launch faster and more accessible for everyone. Yet, even with these advances, many product managers and tech leaders still grapple with how to implement such tools to truly accelerate their development. In our previous video, we used Figma Make to transform our idea into a working static website with a user interface. In this video, we'll take it a step further with Lovable by integrating the front end with the back end, connecting it to a database, adding a chatbot feature, and publishing the prototype application. Then you'll be able to share a live demo link with anyone. Well, here is the quick overview of what we will build in our AI-powered learning management system. LMS. Secure authentication with role-based access, a student dashboard for progress tracking, a searchable course catalog, and an AI chat assistant for instant support. Instructors will have tools to create and manage courses with strong security in place before we publish the LMS to share with anyone. Let's walk through how to build a complete learning management system using Lovable.dev. All you need is your browser. Just open it and go to the Lovable.dev. When the site loads, notice the layout. In the center, you will see a chat box. Up in the right corner, there is a login or get started button. Click that to begin. Lovable lets you sign in with Google, GitHub, or any email address, so choose whichever is easiest for you. Once you are signed in, we are ready to start building. Here, you can use the attach button to upload design, screenshot, wireframes, or any required documents. Lovable uses them to understand your idea and generate a ready prototype to show to everyone. Next is theme. Choose from the available color palettes or create your own custom theme. This lets you style your prototype exactly the way you want instantly. Lovable also includes voice mode. Simply speak your instruction, describe a feature, request to change, or refine the UI just with your voice, just by speaking normally with Lovable. For example, we are going to create an LMS that includes a few essential features: a dashboard, a course list space, a course video player, and an AI tutor chat sidebar. I enter this prompt into Lovable, and you will see that it immediately starts generating the code for us. Give it a few seconds and our first preview appears. Now, take a look at what it generated. We have a dashboard showing enrolled courses, total hours learned, and other helpful stats. There is also a course tab where you can browse courses by categories. And when you click on the courses, Lovable gives us a full video player plus the course contents. On the right side, you will notice a chatbot panel. It is not active yet, but don't worry, we'll be enabling that AI tutor later on. Now that the UI structure is in place, let's add user authentication. Here is what we need: sign up, login, and logout screens. User must be able to register either as an instructor or a student, and we will store user in a database with these fields: ID, name, email, password, and roles. We also want different landing pages after login. Instructors should be directed to the instructor dashboard, and the students should be directed to the student dashboard. And the UI flow should behave like this. If a user isn't logged in, they should only see sign in or sign up. Once they are logged in, they should see the full LMS experience based on their role. When I ask Lovable to add all this, it prompts me to enable cloud, so I enable it. Lovable automatically creates the database table for us, including the user table and the course table. It also generates the sign in and sign up screen. During sign up, notice that I can now choose whether I want to register as a student or an instructor. I tried it out with a test email, and once the registration is complete, I am redirected straight to the dashboard. Next, let's build a course table and apply rule-based restriction. So, I ask Lovable to create a course table with the basic fields we need, and then assign permissions so that only instructors can view their own courses, add new course, edit course they created. Students, on the other hand, can only view course contents. Lovable updates the system accordingly. Finally, let's take a look behind the scenes. From the top menu, open the Cloud dashboard. This area lets you inspect everything Lovable is creating for you: the database, your user, and all other project resources. If you open the user section, you will see user profile listed along with their assigned roles. Next, let's talk about adding pages so instructor can manage their own courses. To do this, I give Lovable a set of clear instructions. I also specify that forms should be very straightforward. After submitting, instructors should see either a clear success message or an error message if something goes wrong. Lovable automatically generates all of these pages for us. So now, instructors will see a Create Course button. When they click it, they can enter the course title, description, thumbnail, and upload any required files. They can also open up any of their existing courses and edit the content just as easily. Let's enable the AI tutor feature which we talked about. At the top of the dashboard, click on the cloud icon. Inside the cloud setting, open the AI tab and turn on the AI tools. Lovable makes it extremely simple to integrate models like Google Gemini or ChatGPT. You can even use the free Google's API within a certain limits or switch to another model by adding your own API key. Once that's enabled, I enter this prompt. I want to make an AI tutor fully functional so that when user asks a question related to the course, it provides satisfactory answer based strictly on the course content. Lovable uses this to add an AI-powered tutor to each course page. Let's try it out. Inside the machine learning course, I ask, I have completed week 1. Ask me a few quiz questions to test my knowledge. The AI responds with questions specifically tied to the week 1. This is incredibly valuable for learners, especially those who want to test their understanding after going through the lessons. At this point, our LMS prototype is fully built and ready to share with a small group for feedback. Lovable makes publishing amazingly easy. You can publish instantly, and if you want, you can set up a custom domain or even purchase one directly. For now, we'll stick with the default domain. From this panel, you can also update your website's title and description. Before publishing, Lovable scans your app for security issues and flags any critical bugs. Make sure to resolve those before publishing. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button. Your app is now live. You can share the link, gather feedback, and continue improving it. Lovable.dev makes the entire process fast, simple, and incredibly powerful. Visit careerlink.ai to explore a list of powerful AI tools all curated to your needs. Dive into our live circles for deeper AI learning experience where you can deepen your knowledge and skills. And don't forget to check out our prompt library, a collection of carefully selected prompt books to guide your learning journey. So what are you waiting for? Start mastering AI today. And subscribe to our channel for more content like this.